Hi class, in this video I'm going to teach you how to find the missing length of a shape that is not a triangle, meaning it's going to be a shape that has more angles than a triangle. So any shape with an angle of 4 or greater. In this case, this shape here is a trapezoid, so this is going to be a quadrilateral. So we're told that they are similar, so we're going to use that fact to find the missing length for x. So first things first, let's find a corresponding side that we can use. So it looks like A to B and E to F are corresponding for this trapezoid. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to find the scale factor using that fact because I know that they're similar. So E to F divided by A to B. So E to F is going to be 7.2. And then A to B is going to be 3.2. I'm going to divide those together so I can get my scale factor. So upon dividing them, I get a scale factor of 2.25. Great. Since I got a scale factor of 2.25, I can use that for every other one of my corresponding sides. In this case here, I'm just looking for x, and the corresponding side to x, which is going to be D to G, is going to be C to D. So because I started with my scale factor, I had big divided by small. I'm going to want to do something very similar here. All right. So it's going to be the DG divided by CD. And the length for DG is going to be X. The length for CD is 4. And it's going to be equal to my scale factor of 2.25. Now, for algebra here, I would actually, if I'm using algebra, it's just x over 4 equals 2.25. I would honestly just take 4 and times it by 2.25, because upon doing it to both sides, I just get x on one side and then the answer on the other side for my length of x. But in this case, let's think about this another way, just in case. So the other way I can think about it is like this, guys, and here's how you can prove it. If I have my scale factor of 2.25 here, would you agree that if I took my smaller length, 3.2 times 2.25 is going to be equal to 7.2. And that is proven to be true. So why can't I also just take my smaller length, which is 4 here, and times it by 2.25? And if you think about it algebraically, it does make sense to do that. I can, and that would give me my answer for x. So in this case, that would get me my answer for x, which happens to be 9. So hence I can just say x equals to 9. And then I would have solved my question from there.